Today we will be talking about network programming. It's a form of modeling similar to what we did with linear programming. In linear programming, we used algebra. So we used variables, inequalities, equations. In network programming, I'll just short forward as NP, we use graphs. We use nodes, arrows, which are called more formally directed arcs, because we also have undirected arcs, but here we will talk only about directed arcs. Whereas here we're using X's and Y's, here we're using pictures. So there's several advantages of using this. Sometimes it's easier to model a problem using network programming language. And also very importantly, we'll get to that next week, if one can model this with a graph, then the solution methods are a lot faster than linear programming. Now, only a subset of all the problems, that kind of problems that we've been doing in linear programming, can be modeled with network programming. But if that can be done, it's very nice to use graphs because it's a very effective ways of communicating with the client. The client is much more receptive to interact, to even correct the model, participate in the modeling process. Certainly easier for him to understand what's inside the model and to make sure it's correct than presented with equations and algebra, which he may not have seen for some time. Okay, the best way to do this is with an example.